free camp. It's on the New South Wales coast. It's called Bodalla Park State Forest Reserve. And it has a nice little 40-minute walk in the rainforest, which if you saw our last video, you would have seen us do that one. We've got some toilets up the back there. They're just drop toilets, but they're not too bad. We saw them get cleaned yesterday, so they do maintain them. They've got a water station here where I've seen people brush their teeth, do the dishes, everything like that. It is right next to a highway, but you can get spots way up the back over there where you can't really hear the road noise. We parked just here and we didn't hear any road noise. A whole bunch of information here about the wildlife in the area. We've got tables and chairs. Looks like you're in a nice little forest. I see a Cosmo. This site wasn't overly flat. We were on a little bit of an angle, so our heads were down last night, but most of the sites here look pretty flat. Lots of space for maybe about 20 vans. Highly recommend this site.